Jason Campbell, been riding and racing for 18 years.
Tara Geiger, I've been riding and racing for 25 years.
Helen Norman, been riding motorcycles for 32 years.
Ricky Brebeck here. I've been riding motorcycles my entire life, been racing since 2013.
Johnny Campbell, 11-time winner of the Baja 1000. I've been riding motorcycles for 41 years.
You know, an ideal day is getting out with Johnny and Ricky and Preston and Tara, tired tire out in the trails and the hills. It's about as good as it gets.
You go explore, you go adventure, whether it's the motocross track or the desert, it's all fun. Even if you have a bad day, it still beats, a day working on the side of the freeway.
To ride over 100 miles an hour on the dirt bike is pretty exhilarating. Now, to do it off-road or on a dry lake is something special because things just start happening a lot faster.
We all have like little competitions, get lower in a turn or who could blow the turn out, or there's always like who could do it bigger or better.